TradersHideout.com. This is Mike Mederl. Welcome everybody to the Forex trading session with analysis, tips, and tricks for the 31st of May 2012. That's our last live session for this month. Next one will be already in June. So today we've had two interesting sessions early on. I do apologize that the last session was with no audio for some reason. And we just found that out not too long ago. So, apologies. And let's go right ahead and see what we're doing today. Remember, we're on a Thursday, so whatever trades it is that we're going to make, we want to do them on a short time frame. We don't want anything to carry over for the weekend, right? That's pretty important. So let's bring the euro dollar. All right. Let's bring up the 1 hour chart. For those of you on YouTube, if you want to request something, just go right ahead, put it into the live comments, and we'll see if we can do analysis for you. On a 1 hour chart, we've got a pretty strong support right here, and it's been going on for the last about 8 hours, and we've had this just at the bottom of the saucer. Okay, so this might be a great spot to buy, but notice we have, using our tool, we can see that we're around 18 pips to this portion right here. We could be looking for those 18 pips. So let's put a buy. And we're going to do 18 pips. 10,000 units, and we're going to do a submit. Okay, that's our order right here, buy 10,000 units, and that's our price, that's our rate. Okay, let's move on. See what else we got. Let's bring up the yen. Here we got some action for the Asian market. Flat as a belly button. Nothing going on here. This is one of those examples where the risk-reward ratio is just not worth it. Don't even bother getting into positions like that. Let's bring the Aussie dollar, see if there's something interesting there. Bring the 1 hour chart. Okay, the reason why I'm doing the 1 hour is because things do tend to slow down before the weekend. And we welcome AC Cruz joining us as well.
How are you, sir?
I'm very well, thanks. How are you doing?
Doing good. I was actually in the other room, and some people, they were like, oh, can we go? And I was like, well, I'll ask first. Yeah.
Perhaps next time. As a matter of fact, for those who are watching us on YouTube, if you'd like to be part of the session and ask questions with us on the panel, just add plus Mike Mederl on G+. And for those of you who do not know, this is the Traders Hideout platform. and the link is right on top, so feel free to download it. Okay. And Saturday and Sunday, 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, we're going to do training live, but it will only be in the Hangout. It will not be on YouTube. So you might want to join us. All right, so Aussie dollar, having a look at that. Using our tool, we can see we're 23 pips from this level right here. Okay, you just bring your mouse over and you can see we got 18 pips on the left-hand side right here. I'm not moving it, with some spikes. So 18 pips is not much for 1 hour. Okay, and you should also be using the actual tool for the statistics, where you could actually see the average change per bar. Okay, and this is the 1 hour. So 22 pips for 1 hour. Well, it's not bad for this time of night, but right now it's been pretty slow. The one thing that I am noticing is that we may be able to tweak in around 20 pips around here and waiting for it to come back up. We had a saucer here. We got a bottom. We could be going for 20 pips. Let's do a quick buy here. Again, you want to make sure that whatever positions it is that you're going to do, they're going to get closed by the end of Friday. Remember, Friday night, you don't want to be with open positions. Why? Because on the weekend, you never know who's going to do what to whom and to what extent. So if you can avoid having open positions on the weekend, you should do that. There's also no carryover charges that way. So we're going to set it up. 20 pips, buy. I'm going to do 10,000 shares. This is my medium portfolio. Went too far. 10,000 shares. Take profit, stop loss. You keep it on 2 to 1. We maintain the same thing. And we actually have to do 24 because of the spread on the Aussie dollar, which is about 2.3 pips. So if we got 24, that means that our stop loss is 12 pips because we're doing a 2 to 1. But right now it's almost 3 pip spread. So that only leaves you 9 pips on the way down. All right, so let's go ahead and submit that. Okay, and there's our buy. Excuse me. Okay.